All right, just want to quick show everybody, including in class here and at home, the filleting and chamfering. All right, so the rectangle, guys, when you draw it, I'm just going to move over here. They are specific sizes, and who knows how big you've made your stuff so far, but you should make these rectangles the right size. So 2 inches wide, and I hit tab. And I can go up and make that 1.25 inches tall. And I just got to zoom. You can see it's way bigger than the way I draw my other stuff. That doesn't really matter for what we're doing. And then I hit the fillet button up there. All right, to round those corners. Fillet. It's not fillet. It's fillet. It's an English word. It means literally to round the edges of an object. So we're going to fillet that, and then whatever size the fillet is supposed to be, you're going to want to select that. You're going to want to select that before you click anything. All right, so 0.25, 0.75, and 0.5. So the first one, 0.25, then you can click that corner, or you can click either side. All right, now I want to make 1.75. That'll be this corner. So it's not a spline. It's not a spline. 0.5. All right, and those are your fillets. Cool. Now I'm going to draw another rectangle right below this one. All right, take my screenshot of this. Fillet. If you want to do the fillet and spline together, that's fine. They kind of look like they're, or sorry, the fillet and the chamfer together. You can put those together. That's no big deal. All right, so I'm going to draw another rectangle down here. It's a little bit taller, about the same width, but it should be a little bit taller. So I guess I'll make it a little taller. I have to reposition myself here. Oh, I don't like the way that happened. But hit escape. What I can do is move it a little bit. All right. Oops. All right. So now to chamfer it, you hit the little arrow next to fillet, and you go down to chamfer. And now there's 3 different chamfer options. The top one brings the corners in the same distance, which is that upper right corner on the instructions. The middle one is 2 different distances. That's going to be this bottom right corner in the instructions. And then the bottom option in chamfer is the distance and an angle. That's going to be this corner. So first one I'm going to do is the distance. Again, it's the same thing. You want to change the number before. You want to change the number before you click anything. So it's going to be 0.5, and I prefer to click each side. So look, 0.5, 5, and 5. Maybe I should move it farther away from this rectangle so you can see it a little bit better, but that's okay. Now I'm going to do this one, distance 1 and distance 2. That's down here. It doesn't matter which one you call distance 1 and distance 2. It does matter which one you click first, though. Whatever side you click first is going to be distance 1. Distance 2 will be whatever one you click second. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit here and move my view. All right. And then the last option is distance and angle. So that needs to be 625 and a 30-degree angle. Again, whatever side you click first is going to be the distance, and then the second side you click, it'll make it the angle. Hit OK. Now, I'm going to hit escape. I might still try to move this down a little bit to get it away from the one above it. All right, so when you take your screenshot, you can either zoom in and do them individually, or you can do these 2 together. All right, I'm going to move on. I'm just keep sketching, keep on sketching. All right, so the next one, and I know I'm going a little fast for people in class, but I'll pause. I'll be done with this video in a minute, and then I'll help you guys. Polygon's pretty straightforward. Simply may move to some empty space here. All right. Polygon tool, you just go to the rectangle, and you go down to polygon. and you put the number of sides you want. So that first one, 6 sides, 5 sides, 8 sides, 3 sides. So hit done. Oops, not done. Draw your polygon. 6, then you can do 5, and so on. All right, that's how you do the polygon. That one's pretty easy. Mirroring. Okay, this is, I think, the last one I'm going to show in this video, the mirroring. Let me go myself to another blank area on here. Oh, I don't know. I'll go up here. Mirroring. So first thing I'm going to do is draw half of the shape, right? Because that's the whole point. We want to draw half of it. We don't want to have to draw the whole thing. You might say, oh, it's no big deal drawing the whole thing. Well, yeah, I don't necessarily disagree with that. However, I do know I often mirror things when I'm making designs. If you want to make sure something's symmetric pretty easily, you draw half of it and mirror it. All right, so all of these tools we just practiced using. All right, and this doesn't need to be perfect. Just trying to snap the stuff down in the other area here. That's fine. Now here's the trick to mirroring. You got to have something to mirror across. You need a line, and that red dashed line there is there on purpose. That's a construction line. What a construction line is, it's a line that is not actually part of your drawing, but you can use it to reference. So you hit this button here, and it turns on the construction line, that one in the upper right corner. It says construction. And then when I draw the line, it's snapping not where I want it to snap to. And draw it right between these points here. All right. It's going to give me something to mirror across. All right. You might want to start a new part and new drawings, each day, because this is pretty annoying that it's trying to snap to different geometry in this sketch. But anyhow, we're going to mirror it now. So hit mirror. All right, select. You can click each line individually if you want, each circle, the points, everything. Or you can hold down your mouse button and drag around. So I'm holding down the mouse button and dragging around. Now, you hit mirror line now. So I selected what I want to mirror, and now I got to select the line to reflect it across. So I'm going to reflect it across that line and hit apply. And then there it is. All right. So that should get you through on the next few parts, the next few sketches. Good luck to you.